The initial phase of the EDSA Rehab Master Plan, which was put off time and again by previous administrations, has been on for over a month. Likewise, a forthcoming deployment of 30 more Dalian train sets to draw greater ridership to the MRT3 railway line is also up shortly, even as clearing operations on busy roadways and surface streets are expected to ramp up with the ASEAN Summit and related meeting events scheduled in May this year. Our Clayzo Pardilia has the full story on government's efforts to speed up the flow of traffic in the megacity.
Long hours on the road, on top of a full day's work. For carpenter Christopher Cabadi, the daily commute from Commonwealth to Ortigas has become a test of endurance.
Mahirap, halos pag talagang rush hour, halos inaabot ng isang oras, minsan mahirapan ka pa sumakay. Talagang kailangan may pagsapalaran ka, may habulin mo yung bus o kaya jeep.
His experience mirrors a broader problem. According to the latest TomTom Traffic Index 2025, the Philippines ranks as the most congested country in Asia. More than 31 minutes are spent just to travel 10 kilometers. In Metro Manila alone, motorists lose up to 143 hours a year stuck in traffic, most of it during peak hours. The cost is not just time but money. For motorcycle taxi rider Tony, heavier traffic means higher fuel consumption and less take-home pay.
Kasi minsan 1 litro ko, 2 litro maghapon na. Minsan ngayon maabot ng 2 litro Yan 3
Mabigat.
Oo naman.
Pambili mo na sana ng ano yun?
Siyempre, pambili ng bigas sa ulam.
Malacanang says the issue is being addressed. The Marcos administration is prioritizing traffic decongestion on major thoroughfares. One of the key measures, the rehabilitation of EDSA from Rojas Boulevard in Pasay City to Orense in Makati City. The project is also part of preparations for the upcoming ASEAN Summit, which will bring world leaders to the country.
With the addition of General Torre as the new General Manager of the MMDA, he comes with a new perspective na ngayon ay inaaral. We will simulate and soon implement. Kung makakaasa po kayo, ito naman po ay tinutugunan at hindi naman to tinutulugan ng pamahalaan. Nagkakataon lamang po talaga siguro may mga pagkakataon na may issue about traffic. Pero ito po ay tinutugunan naman po ng ahensya.
The Department of Transportation has also announced the addition of more than 30 new train sets to the MRT3 this year. The goal, move more passengers, speed up commuters, and ease congestion on the roads.
Clayzo Pardilia from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.